Here at StateRAMP Software, we are working hard to help you automate your cyber compliance. One of the ways that we do that is actually generating your compliance against a known set of controls that you need for your RMF, Risk Management Framework, FedRAMP, or StateRAMP compliance. In this example here, we have a system package, a network accreditation package. We have our checklist loaded. We have some patch vulnerability information loaded. What we don't have yet right here is our compliance. So let's go there and generate our compliance. If you go to compliance and view, we're going to go ahead and generate our first compliance. Enter your title, enter your description, and click save. Behind the scenes, we're looking at the package type, which is RMF. The CIA level for RMF is moderate, moderate, moderate. Based on that, there are a known list of controls and subcontrols that we need to meet. So we're going through, looking at all vulnerabilities in every single checklist, matching up the vulnerability with the status to the CCI, and generating your compliance map and a listing of your compliance by control and by source and by status. You'll see a listing up here that you can also click on and filter down through the search. You can go through and look at all the different items that you have. And for each one of these, as an example, AC 2.4, you can see what checklist source, what items are open, and then click on that checklist to filter the checklist down through the lens of cyber and see only the vulnerabilities that pertain to AC 2.4. Now your checklist group, your developers, your DPAs, your sysadmins can talk the same language with your cyber folks. As we go through, you can also tailor, you can add overlays, you can even add compliance statements for those items that are manual checks, policy, procedure, awareness and training, program management. You can add compliance statements. There's an easy way to do that through our upload feature. Take an example, drop in an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV from our known good format. We're going to drop in program management compliance statements. Now we have a list of compliance statements that also, along with your checklist, can go through and track to your compliance. Now that we've added those, let's update our compliance based on our latest data. Again, you specify a title, you add in your description, and click save. What that does, again, behind the scenes, it will go through and reevaluate all your checklists, any updates, any vulnerability updates, any bulk updates, new scans, add in your compliance statements, pull in any inherited or common controls. It gives you a snapshot within seconds of your latest compliance listing. So you can see here, we still have a bunch of items to fill in, but we have some new compliance statements here. So AC1, we have covered pretty well. We can look at program management. We see 1 through 5 is done. We still need to update our compliance statements for 6 through 10 and fill in information here. Through automation and through our compliance engine, within seconds, you can see where you are from your compliance standpoint across inherited controls, compliance statements, and checklists, and then work with your whole team on your cyber compliance to get closer to where you need to be. If you need any more information, please visit www.staterisoft.com, request a live demo, or request an evaluation. Download our software. We give you a 30-day full license, and you can fully evaluate this with you and your team with your own data.